Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. It's mango season in Florida, so today I want to use this lovely fruit to make probably the most popular Hong Kong-style dessert, mango pomelo sago, or what we call 杨枝甘露. This is perfect for hot summer days because it's so delicious and easy to make. But you do need to freeze 1 can of evaporated milk, about 1½ cup, in advance. Carefully pour it into ice cube trays. Evaporated milk is made by removing water from fresh milk and then heating it, so its flavor is more concentrated compared to fresh milk. If you don't have it on hand, you can use fresh milk as a replacement. Place the trays in the freezer overnight. The next day, we're going to start by cooking the sago, also known as tapioca pearls. This is very similar to the bubbles in the bubble milk tea, except it is smaller and white. Bring 1½ liter of water to a boil and add the tapioca pearls. Switch the heat to medium and let them cook without the lid for 10 minutes, during which stir gently once every 3 minutes to prevent the pearls from sticking to the bottom. After 10 minutes, you see that the sago becomes translucent but still has a white hard center, which looks a lot like caviar. Put on the lid and let the pearls sit in the hot water for 15 minutes. The rest of the heat will continue to cook them until done. While waiting, you will cut some mangoes. Make sure they're fully ripe. Slice it down slightly off the center on both sides. Use a paring knife to score the flesh, but don't cut through the skin. You see me holding the mango with my bare hand. That is because I have done this many times, so it is fine for me. Don't do that if you're a beginner. You should place the mango on a cutting board. Take a spoon and scoop the mango dice out. Oh, by the way, make sure the dice are not too big because this is supposed to be a drinkable dessert that you will serve with a thick straw. You want the mango pieces to be able to go through the straw. There is still some flesh attached to the seed. Don't waste it. Remove the skin first, cut off the meat as much as you can, then use a spoon to scrape the last little bit. I used 3 mangoes and I got about 600 grams of meat. Set it aside. You will also need to take the flesh out of a grapefruit, which requires some patience. Use a paring knife to score the skin across the middle. Then stick a chopstick underneath and wiggle it around to loosen the peel. Do the same thing to the other side. If you don't have chopsticks, use a spoon. This way, you'll be able to remove the peel and separate the segments without cutting into the flesh. Carefully peel off the translucent membrane and take the meat out. Tear the meat into small shreds. Try not to squeeze the pulp if possible. In China, you're supposed to use red pomelo, which is bigger and sweeter than grapefruit. But I couldn't find it around where I live, so I use grapefruit as a replacement. Set it aside. By now, the tapioca pearls should be done soaking. You can see that the white center is disappeared. That's perfect. Drain the pearls and transfer them into an ice bath to firm up the texture. Take the frozen evaporated milk out of the freezer and pop it into a big blender. Add half of the mango meat and 3 tablespoons of sugar. If you got sweet teeth, you can increase the amount of sugar. You will need 1 cup of coconut milk. We're going to pour 1/4 cup into the blender and reserve 3/4 cup for later. Use the on and off mode until smooth. You may need a spatula to help to blend a little bit. Please be careful and don't stick the spatula too deep. Alright, that looks good. Let's check back on the tapioca pearls. Drain them and set them aside. Now we can assemble the dessert. In a cup, Add some diced mango at the bottom, then follow up with a layer of shredded grapefruit and a layer of tapioca pearls. They don't have any flavor on their own, but they do add a nice texture and making this dessert fun to eat. Pour in a quarter cup of coconut milk and fill the rest of the space with the mango milk blend. This recipe is enough to make 3 servings, so you should roughly divide all the ingredients into 3 portions. Again, no need to measure them exactly, just go with your feelings. Last, garnish it with mint leaves. This is such a beautiful drink that can make a perfect Instagram post. Once in a while, I like to put in a little bit effort and make these elegant indulgences to add a sense of ceremony to please myself. You can drink this dessert with a thick straw. If you don't have it, serve the dessert in a bowl and enjoy it with a spoon. I didn't use a lot of sugar, so it is not too sweet, but it tastes so natural, fruity, and refreshing. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!